What's poppin', girlfriends? Welcome back to another video. My name is Curlyssa or Alyssa if you're new here, and today I will be doing a Dollar Tree haul. Now, we are in quarantine. There's a million things to do, but I feel like I don't have anything to do, you know, so.
To a fan, if you fucking with Curlyssa, leave in the DM. Yeah, you know.
Let me tell you my favorite thing. We'll just start off with my favorite. My favorite thing that I got from the Dollar Tree that I will be using this summer when we can go outside, and even if we can't for my pictures, is this body illuminizer. I saw this when I first walked into the Dollar Tree, and girl, boy, both, neither. Look, ready? Are you ready? I didn't put a lot on that, so. But girl, hold on. You can't tell on camera, but look at my hand. I need a like flash. I'll insert a clip of it looking cute, but it's like really sparkly. I don't know if you can see it or not. The next thing, I've been reading and watching a lot on manifestation. I just got B. Simone's book is coming in the mail. I bought a lot of merch off of people. I just got another icy necklace, some icy socks, B. Simone's lip gloss, and her book and a lip liner. So I've been reading a lot about manifestation and watching a lot of YouTube videos about manifestation. Sparkle Marie and B. Simone. Those are the two manifest girls that I be watching all the time. And this other girl, but I don't know her name. But I bought a little mini dollar like book because I have a lot of books and journals and stuff like that that you write in. But this one was just so cute and pink. And it was calling me, so I just answered the phone. So I got some wall stickers. Got some panty liners for, you know. So another good like steal I feel like that I got was I got a bunch of t-shirts from the Dollar Tree, and I got some polo like style t-shirts like this, and I'm gonna like crop them and put designs on them because I have this thing called a Cricut that like cuts out whatever you want in the shape, and I can cut like an iron-on transfer and basically make my own designs on the shirts. So I got that blue one, I got a black just regular shirt, or it's like dark blue, ooh, this pink polo, and this white t-shirt. But look around because some of them have holes in it. Like this has a couple holes in it. This is gonna have to be a holy shirt. However, I redesigned that, so stick around. Oh, I was supposed to buy a tank top because I want to make that, you know what I'm talking about. I'll insert a picture right here. I want to make that shirt. All right, moving on. Bought some snacky snacks. So I bought some Pringles. I bought some Nilla wafers, but they're on my bed. So I bought some Nilla wafers, and I bought some, this is my favorite candy. I bought some paint trays because I paint a lot, and it came in a 6-pack. I bought this body glove for scrubbing your body, but I bought this specifically for my feet so I can't go get a pedicure. I bought this satin pillowcase for my hair and my skin. I got some baby oil because if that illuminator didn't work, I really wanted the illuminator like after I seen that. So I have some old highlighters that I don't need to be using no more, so I'm gonna break up and put it in here. I'll do a video on that if y'all want to. Just let me know. I also got some loafers because you're supposed to change these out frequently, so I just got the biggest multi-pack I seen so I can like change them out. Yeah, you should do that if you don't already. And lastly, on this little Dollar Tree haul, I gotta go out with a bang. So you know, it's summertime coming up. The sun gonna be out, and bam, baby, bam. Who's checking you? Where do you get your glasses from? The Dollar Tree. You wanna go get some? Like, these look crazy, but these are like them crazy glasses. Like, people be paying for these. I ain't paying nothing for them. $1, girl. $1. Who? It gives me retro vibes. And then these ones are hearts. I really have a thing for glasses. Actually, I just posted a picture and some fire glasses. Go follow me. Go follow me, because I'll respond. And I do polls and I do giveaways. Just go follow me, girl. Boy, both, neither. Go follow me. So that is all I have for the mini haul today. Look out for some more hauls because I bought a lot of stuff. I also have a website. Check it out. Check it out. It has some fire pieces up there, and we got clothes, we got hair, we got vibrators, we got whatever you need. We even got healing crystals. Get your life. Just get your life. It's www.isitbad.com. Content coming for you soon. Thank you for watching. Please comment, subscribe, do all of that. Let me know what you want to see because this quarantine, there's nothing to do. Let me know in the comments down below. So I'll see you later. Have a good day. Peace.